Yes, I have a Helicoil solar panel heating system for my pool, and it's about 7 years old now, and it started springing some leaks. And quite frankly, I just got tired of spending $150 each time to have the solar people come out and repair those leaks. The last time the guy was out here, I saw exactly what he was using, and I went online and Solar Pool Supply had the repair kit for less than $50. And it's such a simple, easy procedure. Now I can, from this point on, I can repair all of the leaks myself. I'm really quite happy that I did it.